Now this person get made the helpless. In your world, Juo it the helpless today. It turn around, it the helpless. So many people cannot say what they are passing through. Even okay, and when the China bish adoro bias, but yenji name kali, yenji emphasize kali, stolen to go from women, especially these few days that I've started my program, coming out hard. Can you hit the point? A lot of people are saying, bish, I was down. A woman who am not down, not contemplate suicide when we know that none speaking perfectly about her situation. No test be love before ever. No test be happiness ever since Omiti, his man, her man. Forget the ceremony. Forget the everything Emil organized. Forget the wedding clothes. The patterns that you have to look out for. Anything or banana saying a love adult involved, that person is deceiving you. Amen. You water that thing from that perspective, you will never be happy in this life. I've come of age to understand that you can never take out love. If you love, if you respect, if you love, respect, you can never take it out of him, man. So many people come into your life, can liquidate your life, both men and women. Patterns you have to look out for. In a may from the beginning, even when you do to this girl now adore homely. And no one change, you will not change the person. Any person, any adult or bonachi change. No amount of pressure can change anybody. No amount of conviction. That self-conviction by themselves, they can never change. Any type of change you are portrayed is a pure pretense. Oje Nazugo made the worse. I was speaking to a lady today. Awesome, please. My husband, I cannot, but I am confused for the past 6 months. Dimeme kibe maka. Nanjuru dim question. Mwine post kedonye weti mwa. With all due respect, I may use cases of people in a reference study, analysis. Is for us to understand. Ikulon kegi, but when people not in a similar predicament, you need the vacation, you need that body-to-body connection, you need the bonding, you need the soul connection. A man and a woman, the only time in them express love, or nonsense. Ipiokwa evidence of love. Ipiokwa, in fact, Ipioku Sonia neme, but Ipioku will one of those things. I can with other 100 and something components. Husband and wife na an argument. Husband and wife na lieni. You know when was the last time in a winke ganyan eyeball to eyeball? Baby, promise me. Baby, I give you my word. He gave me one anniversary today. 1 year anniversary. No way ni labe why and ilo ilabe woke nilo. Can you proudly beat your chest and do it? When I'm talking, I speak for the people that sacrifice everything for that thing hand on him here to work. But in a fool. You are not a fool. For you to hang in there, you be a fool. But you have to hear my message. You will say no this message. As a guy, Ibule a fool. Nine a bumbo make everything for a girl to see you for who you are. Ibule a fool. There is always a time somebody can say enough is enough. And don't with the BH or problem. So many people they push go their partner to the wall. In a chase who call a time bomb ticking. Mboso ga react potassium you listen onye no the bad. Somebody is how you condition a human being on your own understanding. During that discussion time in that water, how am I compatible with this person? Can you see the compatible? Only 1%. Only adwa kind. Ibeba kwake di onye abukwa somebody ga hang in India with you. Ega unwe ego go onwe ka problems were there acquire some things, you make money after make away something, you lose savings, you lose something. How can your partner stand with you? Kaga covers you on no. Only one lady kuloku before nap. I like him point yoku. Also bish. Not every time him go, but I'm a circle on the maintenance. Money, infidelity and money now contribute to at least 70 to 80%. But I'm name with other things. You lack the connection in with your partner. You need to take on your side that they make a get up. Two of you have to work out that relationship. Obunu now work out is born to destroy Ogabasa. Somebody actually know the day now know the actually divorce, but that divorce is showing you on your face because of one thing. In a question, the intent. In a question, a lot of things. And now what's it at the door is your own portion. So don't talk. The perspective now, the level I know now, don't say anything. No accountability. Let everything flow. It doesn't work like that. My health is involved. My mental state is involved. My children are involved. My safety, my security is involved. That is why I need accountability. That is why I need your time. That is why I need your opinion on the name. Somebody who have no mistake will take may invest will take divorce just because no mistake. A woman in marriage. When you see people crying, if for people you feel their pain. You can feel the pain because of you're a woman being at the end of the day. Obu no get one with the predator, but they go to the manipulator. To see another way, you may that person in a deal with your belly. Somebody now tell them what they excuse for their own mistakes. In a problem. So many of you people not trauma bonding, in love, not in love. You are complying with everything naga with the flow or trauma bonding. Or below under duress, gain one voluntarily, you are now becoming a slave. Enemy, wire. Man, in everything in, but there is nothing you do that can be enough. Once you find yourself, I myself am going to experience in my life. Trauma bonding, one of the worst things that can happen to any man, any woman. Somebody may make abuse, but you can never see the door as an option. You can never see anything put in as an option. Because in us, it is scared to be alone. It is scared to feel like the lonely. And then it is scared now and also get take that position. It's better you know your position. If we see my on email, he will decide to say at the end of the day. That's why I'm creating this awareness. This awareness belongs to Potana Bedi. This awareness also belongs to that woman. The awareness is for you to be aware of your present situation. Define your partner. The pattern saying how sweet the mouth is the action that is going to say, who is this person? Many of you now present your partner to your families as a whole, everything. As a case, you are lying to yourself. A lot of people are going me today because they didn't say nothing. You go with the general perspective, the general public perspective. A case, third party, BP Ganale. In our child support, in a make everything in a man, and when it get enough. If there is love, again we are or compromise. Without compromise, the two people cannot do anything. Because only have a different entity, game up with different entity. Every brothers in a problem, name family, mother and father in a problem. Even before you came of age, siblings in a way problem. Then you meet somebody from nowhere, or meet from nowhere. All you came together, all in the name of love. Abasi na marriage, I say give up love. Na love I don't know na marriage. Na marriage wungugu. You want na toyete. Ashike na ashe. Marriage I long gugu. Kevin atoye ya. Kedi be educate that thing. That means everything where the wrong, even in you build with very wrong foundation, and they push this narrative today. Can we accomplish yachime? Can we victimize and die victimize? I'm not part of that. I don't choose to partake in that. I'm a miyane push. And I go by half go miyane man. Once we normalize this thing, oga abuzi something geli, oge mechega affect, me omo ga affect, me omo ga affect. And we go internet. A lot of people name me Payafa. Oye work is non car. Oye define as in car. It's not like that. Let's give our voice to the voiceless. How many of you put a go kwolu? See, no, this is not good. Ibe man, odogu gi na ebinye oto, ige ti nwe ebe obuna itinye. But enwekwen nke ige si na enwunye ga ya. Esi ka ikota elugodo. Onwe nwoke ị ga-asị na ịdị na ebe wuti nwaanyị ọzọ for 1 year, 2 years, or sing na asị ka ị na-asị. Nna ịdịkwa oke alụga na agbakekwa agbuke, nna odogwa na alụkwa ọrụ. Na what for you? Somebody told me no n'ime marriage, no mgbe ya happen na marriage ka ya amapụtazi ilo. What a childish nonsense talk. Gba ka ị ga-amapụta ilo, ana amụ aka ekpe na nka. Ibile life mgbe ịdị 20 something years. Ibile life, a color tresom, a balance street, a ibile life, you may enjoyment. It could be a body count. Oh, get you on a marriage. You do Jebutoy be Munyeki. If one in not their respect to Muki, it diabo apioko. Because you can only trust yourself, you never trust any other person. And with a lot of reason, any person can protest to protect their marriage. And with a lot of reason, you must have a voice and opinion. And with a lot of reason, if not for your health is enough for you to say, I want to get accountability from you in a polite way. If there is no dialogue, must it be a fight or a fight? What do you settle for? You settle for a narcissist, and now today you will never have a peace. It's settle for somebody the materialistic, insatiable person, or when you email the person called you okay. It's settle for such person, and therefore that red flag from the beginning, because your intent was on a wrong motive. The intent was built on a wrong motive. At the end of the day, it is stuck in the marriage. Now you want it to work, but the real thing he may ignore will come back to fight you. Some of you people now, someone who the boldness alone, he protects something if not the obvious, is splitting. It will take two of you to guide it. It doesn't matter what you say outside. It doesn't matter what you tell another. It's only when you two of you see the importance. What do you have to lose? A man, I say, I have nothing to lose. A woman, two can play the game. You'll have your wasa. But what about the people who put the effort to make it work? Those are the people that I'm giving my voice to. I want this marriage to work. I didn't just get married for people to come and clap for me. I didn't just get married. And when their wedding picture today, and when the video, their wedding picture today, all those expensive everything, people what on the floor and to go, all those things have become a bad memory to you and beginning to hurt you. And when the today and those children are supposed to be a source of joy, but a reminder of pain for you. You don't have to kill yourself. A man. I was once never appreciated. Once at a time, I told myself, my mother can't do. Say, not the girl money I know, this girl no love for more. My mother said me, they go to know we in a mirror. My son, you are very handsome. Open a male guy because I know that you are a lover. I'm a nigga love woman, love her with all your heart. And say, hey, mommy, yes. 2010, 18th of December, I let it go. I let it go. Go and listen to TJ Jakes. Let it go. For some people are meant to come to your life. They are meant only to be part of your story. It doesn't make them a bad person, but it just meant that their story have ended. Now, why can their story end? Put more value in yourself. Put more value in yourself. Value in a put a block in the toxic. Always have that opinion shared. A mouth closed is just, in fact, it as you are nearest to your grave. Just give me ginozi. Why can't couples sit together and talk? Why can't couples go to therapy today? Why can't you seek professional help? Maybe therapy, maybe the therapy school, maybe unu batadia mbuwe unu na baso. I'll tell you people your problem. Nga wunu na bo onye na work the marriage. One person cannot make it work. One person cannot make it work. Under 1 second, mbuwe onye obuna azwe is either na efisi that marriage today, that day mo na onye obuna pala bia na that day. In the boski na anwala utili mpia wazu ma pia wadi na nwunye no nu bia limi ye because I'm source of everything. So many people are saying, you go do no, I become with wine more than even they no go dinner unye. Muna mother no nape I learn. I'm go me here from mom wine. I'm go wine the good, one wine the bad. No matter how pretentious they okay go see. 6 months I'm okay go see. Argument will rise. I got make your contenance na de. Cake is a resolve story. If only ne we for 2 days, 3 days, and we couple na man I like la such a thing. If we na pongo keta enonu, and we couple man I like la such a thing. If we na mongo kola, and we couple mo ga like la such a thing. If the materialistic enye go open in a mego in shopping. Ego gini in a wete shopping. Thank you for the gift. In a couple straight, every blessed day you go every blessed day you go even kitty. In a jail, I should be every time it no invoke. It's not year marriage. I'm gonna a lot of compromise. I'm gonna build a home. What about the people? Chalk a marriage work. These are the people that I'm lending my voice to. I go home and sleep. I come and see the messages in the receipt. I feel so happy. I'm proud. Only one life can change it today. You are uncertain of tomorrow. You are scared about your tomorrow. You do not sure of yiga. I'm giving you my voice today, telling you that you are more than special. It is special enough not to buy yourself. It is wonderfully made not to take out your to anything to lose yourself. So many of you now antidepressant in every blessed day for you to sleep. Some of you some of you one year petty be emana wine a petty woke. Emana woke in trauma, emana woke in problem. Unetena men it is strong, bolo strong. What about Samson? Samson would be the strongest man no what? Manodina na nenu Delilah ponyishi. A man, be you, whether you are strong or you are weak, you need a resting point. If a woman named that one peace, if a woman naturally endowed with peace, your beauty what not in Naba marriage. Your character will everything get possessed in a marriage. Without your character, upon in on a marriage, upon those things in on your DM, being a motivated, be a be the ginger as a shop and an table. That marriage is born to destroy. Your beauty can attract a man, but your character will keep the man. And if you are can lose your control. If you are can as wine. How many of you people manana fiangoka kanishi? No matter how deep bangoke wo, o muna gina kuku itobi achona inu bed. Nwoke na-eme nwa, but you people don't know. I say, yes, no more fiti, ojinja. Any di ka say, walk, go do something, we go do sacrifice, we story I try everything. Have you put in everything in that marriage? Have you done everything you could see me? Yes, now enough is enough. It's okay for me. I can't do it anymore. This person is not reciprocating. This person had the apota. You look at that point. You look at that your breaking point. Keep it a fight from the beginning. Obulogi can lend my voice. I'm lending my voice to the people who come to go all their life. I want to make this thing to work. Sometimes you are crying, kids, feature Anya. Ibu man epo ni loyi before you start your motor don't you see na stealing bego da kwa. She God why did you end up with this person? You see what can move? Let me give the person opportunity. I want this thing to work. In now walk towards it. Because if you allow pride to be ahead of those compromise, it got that thing. And they put as and love adulor. Love would day. Love would day. The absence of love is no respect. The absence of love is no empathy. The absence of love, the absence of love is one of discipline. Somebody got to say discipline. Discipline is your self-decision. It's your decision to make. That you don't want to sleep with another person is your decision to make. And you stood by it because my partner loved me. And when I'm love mother, I cripple mother. It's only the man that love ya cripple. When you give me that love abuse, and when love is abuse, you are not in us finish. When your love is abuse, when the love in a name table, in a marriage, what can you offer? I can offer love. What can you offer today? I can offer love. I can offer understanding. I can offer kindness. I can offer my prayers. I can offer my hard work. Don't see that body. That body, unga knock tabulu one day. Husband, unga knock tabulu one day, no. Maniponi, looking doors, but Mukegi gano with you. Whether or not they go too much familiar with you, or gonna go with you. Timetable you could get change. I can now go hot and cold, but they happy. I give my voice to the voiceless. Ibe woman, in on a corner, ebuna toge. You don't know what to do. I give you my voice. Don't rush it. Thank you for the gift. Follow no your name gift. Monday and a gift. Now double tap on. Thank you so much. As a man, if a man, he will go hard. Every single thing he need him. And your partner, somebody the insatiable, unappreciating. And when people they are born to be unappreciating. And when he make out okay, they are never contented. So many people today cannot tell you thank you. And when they money transfer, ask him, is it you that sent that in? He say, yes, okay, I'll see. Thanks. But he gave me something. And when somebody can be in something, I can say, thank you so much. I'm praying for you. It shall be well with you. How do you appreciate your partner? Hey, baby, I try one. You're always beside me. I appreciate you. Sometimes he just come and massage the man. You massage. Ha! Marriage na atoto. And when you walk in like an azu, all but just you don't phone give a moya canazo, manaka. You need our lump yoko. Biakano, Biaka, or Okocha Fuyaka, it's of Gokolian Pianine that day. It's of Golian Pianine that day. I will on Bob in a case, you put a problem. Now that game back. Talk to your man. Maybe I'm not going to go to Akedian. This is my deal breaker. Any damn for Guinea-Bissau, we will lose this marriage. A bullet threat is just showing you that he place is valuable now. Only a foolish person will like to build something and leave it on the way and go and start another thing. Kedi neme. Enugidele mwade pota nozi end ya njibido ozo. Kedi neme. What is the guarantee na nkibido gadi okay? Now I'm scared of meeting new person. Hello, how are you? Fine girl, where are you coming from? Ibido kwe. But you already have somebody that already familiarized with you. But you don't want to change that character and call out. You know, not the approach. No, you are the problem. A girl, in with pride. No, the way he shouted at me is insecure. Although insecure. I call out of insecurity. My man is always calling me. He wants to see me on video call. I don't think he trusts me. Trust is not given. It's end. You have to end that trust. Only two trust okay gabo nwebe. Omampogi video call. Omampogi ginepo. Omampogi the whole day. All of the tests, baby, you know I'm thinking about you. I know you're okay. Call me whenever you can. Pure. Pure. Game where now, boy. If the oko. You're a hot cake in the market. The man do hot cake. Two can play the game. But if two decide to play the game, that means the whole game is scattered. I can get any man I want outside. Look at me. How many men none of my dear? How many women none of his dear? Idioku, moke dioku. How many women none of his dear? How many women are getting with them? We allow pride to be first. At the end of the day, most of our people today, all young people at the end of the day. As a picky, I want a handsome man. Criteria superficial, something artificial. Only give about kindness. Somebody the polite. Somebody the well learned, somebody at least not academically, somebody with knowledge, with wisdom, somebody that can work with me. Some people will tell you, I want somebody to work with me. Every does they work with me, how many people get will do their card near their wife? How many people get will do their card near their husband? Trusting that this man will not mess up, trusting that this woman will not mess up. But watch out for the red flag. Withdraw that thing. Because that love, if it is abused, if it is not valued, it's abused. We have to start to educate ourselves. Just tell yourself the truth. This man and a member appreciate can that wrong presentation. Everything. I say, yes, it's good. But human being is meant to have a companion. Reason. In your best friend, you can confide in. Now, this my wife. What has come here? Man up on na phone. Man up on a pick call. Opulonye kamonye ga advice itination of ya. Make sure no with the same mindset with a good mentality. Somebody they advance at all. With your friend, if not, keep quiet. Be on a page inegele. If you are page sometimes, the talk and you use your case as a topic. Just tell me here. Sim no we eat your motor. This no we I will use it in a water the point. And when you walk about so no anyone. Yes, you cannot meet up with that standard a boss. No. And when you walk out it's active, active. How you position yourself now, can your wife feel secure is what makes you a man. And I come what even you live for you, a batani money will many punching back. So in our gym, so ishilike, so you a single bone. A quani will general no bevaqua. Emechi jet or dear no, emechi a backwire, and my amo. It's not love with the girl and all. Even no trauma bonding, it's not love. A blood love. Yes, if that man, a monyala, somebody for today, okay, yesterday, is somebody not respect for me, wasn't na somebody a lady, obote moke no budoibo, yeah, we jiri we many house help. Maka not in akwụkwọ. When we hear these things, it sounds abnormal, but this is the reality. Yeah, the order of the day. Inota the man condition one the man we represent an errand boy. Enangole ni need ko ta afufu ko nweti ihe ocho. Ko nweti ihe ocho. No when you make like this. You're suffering somebody because of paper. What is document? Asking me your name about one person can change their life. I'm okay. If one person can have that positive impact in me, I go okay. Na loike. Ndine na loike. Because our people need a voice. Here, every day because your BP are legal or your BP are legal. Most of you people, your partners will even give BP. Most of you people, only we profess a love ya, only people bakota akwaka, people bakota na bego, and a wedding na akwaka. That person will even would the worst enemy anywhere today. Because unchena marriage will honeymoon. Marriage address or drop perfect. But anyway, towards walking towards perfection. Anyway, that walk is walk. I always use this example. I'm saying, marriage is like a tree. You plant it and when the water there by the side, on a dry ground. You have to be watering. I'm watering. Iji ketulu mmili, njili ketulu mmili. Ofonye cannot sustain marriage. I mean, people know their breaking point. Both man and woman, you reach your breaking point. If not one thing pushing the two people together, is it not true at the end of the day? But what was your motive? Get the motive beginning. In the polygamous in nature, the polygamous in nature, abandon marriage. If you don't use the polygamous in nature as a strategy to silence your partner, as an intimidation skill in a very criminal way. Name entitled. Nanga anu nwa na abo na ncho nga anu nwa na ato na ncho nwoke m nwaanyi gwala onye a na ga anu nwa na abo Ilajube we no nwa mmade ị ga-amụ nwa ekpeli ị ga-ebe as a man ka onye ọzọ treat ye nwa gị ivi treat nwunye gị and ekpeli ị ga-ekpe as a woman ka onye ọzọ treat ye your boy the way you say treat it. How can you go and settle down with only love? What type of setting is that? One guy will say, can you know this girl? Also, no, this girl because out of sympathy. No. It's better you leave that person a day after the marriage. Yes. Hey. It's better you leave that person 1 year inside the marriage. It's better you leave that person no jofunwa. I will eat your mother one on one essay, one ato, essay ajebezie, a chosi. What is your excuse, Mazi? Ijen as a shim mother, no mugolune and wait a mo. How much a goalie in one, my baby mama. Oye cousin wapatazie, anazia chosi, no single mother. Map your Picasso. Did they map your Picasso? Who are the pioneers? Can they make it? Can they crown on our women single mothers today? Our topic for another day. Some of them, the women will take their own share, but each take the statistics alagawake. Each take the statistics alagawake. People will choose their peace of mind. Anyway, woman in now watch it today and she's strong, she's healed, or he'll go. What about those people? The capacity. In fact, people did timid from making their personality had a quiet. What about those men who be gentlemen? How about the street? Any consciousness open and make it extraordinary? How just put on what? Hey, this man is soft. But him when not soft, he will know. It is soft. You will not handle it as a soft. You are taking advantage of that person. You are listening to me. He did treat your partner fine. Why did you marry this person? Many of you people are man young reason. Why? How can I make it up? kpalakwụ onye nwe isi akwa kpalakwụ ka ị ga-echikwala isi akwụ n'ụlọ pụọ n'ilo jekpata isi akwụ ọzọ. Ọkwa na ije n'ilo je kpalakwụ ịbatakwula isi akwụ gị, ọ ga-adịkwa repairable. Ana akwa m eme encourage, but ọ bụ na ya ime ọ ga-adịkwa repairable. Respect is reciprocal. Mother asị gị wepụ love na marriage. Love ahụ ihe na-ejide marriage. Understanding, communication. Ị na-ekwu understanding, ị na-ekwu communication. Ikwulu okwu respect. Ikwulu okwu empathy. Ikwulu okwu value. Ke value my partner place on me. Without placing any value on you from your partner, it was as nothing. Now, waka abiala bu na onye anwa apa idinele she onwa ya meto fun mi ibe ni plan ki mem. Ke the value onye gi na no place on you. Ke the intent, ke the motive, and we wrong foundation from the beginning. Or something I get amend on the way. Cause something is irreparable and I manage. If a mother say now I manage, I'm managing my marriage. I'm managing it. Marriage about chago. Taya moto bafuchela bafu. Or even marriage you uzi a patch culture patch call ebenine ne leak. I the married and the marriage after eduqually name intimidate the single ones. The single I want to get married and put place your criteria in something more value. Ke criteria usually ebe nwoke no. O nwoke na enega anya n'ilu. Agba agwa somebody okwu. Yes, somebody say America tell me say osim biko no nsia pray for a man that is looking at your face. Bele ki mote a man na enega anya n'ilu. A man obuna na enega anya n'ilu ga-emeche gị ka ekwu. Yes, in the reference to Mmalu ki isi efili, nwa dị angry, iwa na-ewu ya, emejọmịa, biko your dear enough. Obelive mmei, no, any connection. Iye niile mkpọtụ niile na-eme ihe niile, onye lu Samson. Onye lu Samson. Somebody tell me welcome sim anom na di but this onye anata anala ma afia and didn't need anything osim jekulu senior brother junior brother bi ihe na-enye m ego nni mu na ụmụazị m na-eli. Di man ala emeke ma aka for 1 year 2 years ọ batakwu man not 2 days with me. Ihe niile nshili o man lia. What have I done? Thank you for the gift. What have I done? A man able, nwokwa emegi na about speed. Baby, I want this. What do you want? Buy me this shoe. You will go gini go shoe. Still, the woman doesn't love you. Oh, makia ki ije fake ni na anyu na elu bed because e man love ya. Ebe puta memory. Your side guy, side chick na apia goku nilo. Memory ya ki ije apia digoku. Memory ya ki ije apia nwunye goku. We all know these things. Kamezi expose. Ije n'ụlọ ọrụ apịchaga aka machaga aka different places. Ịbata n'ụlọ baby onwe ka alụche ememe isi na awa m onwe ka alụche ememe ma onwe ka pia ịlala ụla. Oligoli ya aligoli nọ n'ime obi na na nwoke eme iwe ka ọlịtuo nwoke eme iwe ka ọlịtuo nwoke eme iwe ka ọlịtuo ife ki onyonyo baby abịago m baby ife nwale ya ka onyo ọnụ isi na ọ dị freak no you freak obiakwa winch amosu. Some of the people who say amosu ge nwakwa we ibe na agba n'ilo ge nwa na atụzie na check phone ye baby kedo onye di ya ka onye na-akpọ gị ya kedo onye wu this girl ki we divert ya the attention as a jealous partner ibulu ụzọ put that jealousy as no get the jealous baby kedo onye di ya ama m na onwe ebe ije mana ọ ge nwa ka a na-ala. Reverse psychology in a use lady. You'll be exposed. I get mega exposed. I get mega exposed na page ma. Get mega exposed. Because Jen na YouTube with alpha ma because ogodu no 50% from here. Jen na YouTube Jen watch my video on video post with there 2 hours. And now all in a gear. Give even a man. Open in our join this video now. They just will not join here now. Join our YouTube, can watch my video. The same name, Bishop Israel TV. The same alpha one can do on Nilo Akon Blue. Because open in our support them, they like all now here. Just mail me and I'm gonna be happy. You don't need to give me a gift to them. You will subscribe or go and subscribe and watch my video. We are growing now. Here have a force that nobody can stop. I may grow. Let's become the voice of the voiceless. The people, the response within my messages is enough energy and enough conviction for me to come up here and be doing this thing. Yes. Or something in muddy game. Hey, make a bish. I like it. Go to my YouTube. EJ now with Alpha now. EJ to the Alpha now. He order my link here. He place here. He tinye. Okay, daily give something. Okay, go anywhere. Click it anywhere. Kebadia. Ebadia, he just subscribe. Ngane more videos. I want to open our people's eyes. It was yourself. You shock your partner. Easy video mu na your partner. Adromda. Onya abroad. He come and yemale. And we bench abia with history. We have a lot of history. The history and wisdom God is orderlum source of nishi. Oye boom. Wisdom do too much and need him pass here on. If not, oye boom, oye attack my brain. How many people will say it? Kedindi gekuya. Obuni kuye kedonyo onso gekuya. All the learned people, onyo obuna no nampemp, onyo obuna onwo echi ku oku ga crash. Onwo echi ku oku ga the extraordinary, onwo echi voice the out. Name with the voiceless in the society and dundi emelika akwa. Onye emelishi kwa bi oku. A lot of people were now in silence. Every day na ngogola as a man, every day he came in aka. Since him fitalo amala mi BP. But I've got most of my age mates now have BP by this time. What is wrong in our society? Fine girl, fine girl, you may update, but they don't happy. Inside you is full of pain. Ibe man in our speed to provide everything in them is not appreciated. And I don't piano. A lot of alune and I your partner keep piano, but because the chemistry decrease go because there is no love, organ deny again pioko, and they one of the reason why. Ipo doguna kana young you baby sauce ishi kishi ba sauce on ya cheat enemy yeah. But you are doing everything you see me. Because of her, or kissing wag. In on a marriage, but in a bill, diggy pachago, okay, be lawyer, in on a marriage, in a washa when marriage, in Anna di Gego Makoto on a lag. In on a marriage, Manena bill diggy. Game one in on a marriage. Manena in Olune Nugi, in Olune Numugi, on a in Agua baby, that thing, that money you promised me. Mbwana Nuki in Agua, but to say one with the week episode. Mbwana Bia Obia Talanos, you will check book near pen. Mbwana is weak. On you go happy on naked baby, thank you. Share baby, please, that and I don't want to forget it. Baby, please, that money. When you get also need to pay 14,009. You say yes, don't worry, I will give you. On your weakest point, can that person take advantage of you? And make that book of brain, and delay people and not put brain, you will go problem as a man and as a woman. Why I know baby again here and yes, we make out maybe next week, go maybe major because flight ticket, why you're a manipulator. You're a manipulator. People why the same thing in a me work again. And when you work me in appreciate you, don't love him. Is it not good that neighbor that man today in lovely I call man go face here? Is it not good today? Neighbor that man in a lovely I call man. You married him for the wrong reason. When the foundation is wrong, everything is wrong. But he got to the extreme. Kolobi, the only one girl I watch, Kolobi, yes. And was something learning from the story, but I don't want to go into it. But every story, there is a lesson for you to learn. Every single story in Afro, there's a lesson to learn. Guys, because when you go to my YouTube, subscribe or daily done. Actually, I'm mad 10. First 10 people, I'm mad happy. Because I am not here. We are here to support each other. Guys, support me. I want to be sure I'm not going here. Also awesome. And when 10 people like this, I'm mad happy. I'm batana page, I'm mad happy. Because I've got most people, I need to talk there. Thank you so much. Ndije go na my YouTube. Because thank you so much. I appreciate you. I need more 8 people to do this. Because more 8 people go and appreciate me. Go on YouTube and go and subscribe. We are here. We need to give this voice. I need this voice. Bishop Israel TV, but my YouTube handle. Or the one on my page here. But open it only click the link because only yours all get book taking click the link. But inanya oga say done anyway. Inanya na niyo deligi click nka na bubag na YouTube. Let's push this thing because now our people are starting. And when somebody I was on the edge. I was at the edge of breaking. And I'm at the edge of breaking. A guy called me now. Somebody come now. Say no problem. I'm trying as much as I can to attend to you people. And I respond to most of your messages. Because I'm not people on real things. Ghana comment in a video me. Careful people ne bakwa. I don't want to. I chose them now reply those aqua with videos. No, if you want to read it, go to the comment and read. Careful na people now pass through a lot. People now pass through a lot. Because most people now ban this thing called marriage with everything they have. The case they treat in Mosian and Ketchukumerije. Hey woman, everything I built, I did this. Alone at the time of now, and a child issue, The problem was from the woman. Why can't you have that critical decision with the woman? We will get an egg donor. We will get an egg donor. We get you a surrogacy. But because you were not able, in one of the confidence, in one of the love, only love. Oh, you can say, if there is absence of love, and where you want to get me? Seeking a lot of adult on marriage, that person is deceiving you. Unfortunately, a lot of people are buying this idea. A lot of people are about this idea. Ibule man, a woman in a no love question day. All love gay megi in empathy. All love gay megi if we are that handsome guy or can dig him money low. But this my man is very. In fact, I love my man. I love this man. This man has been there for me, both in hard time and in good time. I love this man. I will not be deceived by what I see. Only with six pack, only with everything. But this man stood by me. This is when love will conquer. This is when love will prevail. On back any the love. But people now saying a love I draw today. Why? How do you push that narrative? You push you imagine yourself. You will endure all the pains. Then a marriage. It got powerful. People ne push this narrative. How be I can compete with you? How be I can make this how debate him? Call any of them now saying a love I draw involved in a marriage. Let me debate them. Forget the good times. I can wait time. Any love that is not tested is not love. Oh, mo wakulia. Bishukulia. Because without that love, imam with that listening ear. Emane when your partner na goku, okwo na agwe onati atanante because in absence of love. Bishop Israel TV. This is my name now. Yeah, he change. Some of you people are only change Bish Money. My name still remains Bish Money, but he change my name from Bishop Bish Money to Bishop Israel TV. Bona blue app. Unu mo eba na o blue app. Nke bido na F. Nke bido na F na B. Blue app ekwele kan change abam dia to Bish Money. Wait easy ka apam correspond or both iye na nkilu akwo na TikTok na YouTube. Yes, I want to subscribe. Go, thank you so much. I'm my phone day subscribing. Now, subscribe now. Guys, this is the only way you can help me. Can they put the name here? Let everybody see. Be aware before you enter there. Be aware. In a program mo ebe munye gino, ebe di gino. ọ ga-atụ onwe mbọ n'alụ because you need mgbatu phone, you need onu evuke, you need mgbatu TV, you need mgbatu your phone. Itinye na kitchen na-evicha ụlọ ị na-ege ibe na-ekwu digiga nọ na mpe is either na oshi gị gbanyụọ that phone, is either na oche yeli dade ị na-ege ibe na-ekwu is either na nwunye gị si gị gbanyụọ that phone or na oche yeli dade. Yes, thank you so much. I'm seeing another person. Yes, guys, let's go. Let's go. A lot of people, we will get a lot of people to align with this mentality. It is not done because of the perspective, the general perspective. Obulo their decision, we ain't define it. Thank you so much, Ada. Obulo the general perspective, the general knowledge of everybody. Think outside the box. What if things were like this? Things are like this because of the partner money and I work doesn't want to work with me. I have done everything. As a man, I am doing everything. But this woman is seeing me as something else. Baby girl, sit down. There is absence of love. There's no love. Accountability is entitlement for your relationship and marriage. You have to be accountable. You have to be accountable. You must be accountable. You must be accountable. Or you make it a partner. Somebody got to know understanding, communication. Without love, how can you communicate? Without love, it's understanding. Can you understand there? When love is abused, or yana or manipulation. Babel against people that will come into your life with fake people. I'm happy, fake. From the beginning, will fake. Everything will fake just to lure you. I ask myself, why do people go to people? To what gain? You know that you don't love this person, but you want to marry this person for one thing or the other. Why? I said, no, you don't need to. As time goes on, the love will, you will work more harder. In such a case, you will work more harder. Kedi yendi game we ignore and when the perfect. And when only the perfect, but kedi yendi game we ignore. When you are the saucy on your kale, okay, game we ignore. Igame abuse ignore. Igame na amagola ignore. Igame those red flag ignore. Onye na ashi ko dieli ina afu nwanya na ashi ona ashi o dika ebe a na-eyi akara n'ọkụ ọ na-arụ ọkụ ijidi ebe ọgbaji ebe ijidi ebe ịdịkwa sure somebody if onye na ashi everything money decided ka enu ya I will change no get change it will never change you will suffer ị ga-ata afụ. All the new norms, zero accountability, all the new norms. Nga pia oku mpia gidi oku uchi ya dia. Nge woli pia oku pia sa anyishi. Yeni na oge zuo. Ema biye gemechi. A couple no na moto. Two people, the guy na ati no ano na moto. Chiberi ale na anata e one accident to puta no zo moto kuo. The girl pia uku ye shift to. The guy next 2 weeks the guy no one also. Na hospital and will make it deposit or be as in that hospital again. In where kidney problem today, how many person can do munye gaga no genakoko jidegaka? A woman can work here on a coma or putani lone me call or man na record ya or sit thank God. I wish this thing can be over. Nobody deserves such judgment. In on a marriage, your partner. There are many ways. Only delay one. Let there be accountability. Kamali yene men kedebe milish weban opiu bogolo. Ke the things you neglect. What are those patterns that you need to look out for? Hey, okay, no, all the good, but on a kumi ye, on talk me ye. All the good, but on a knocked out coachali me ye. But all the good, all the good. All the good. He's very, very good guy. On a go up where gold everything. When you marry for money, you will enter that money and you become familiar with that money. Then that money will become part of you. The money will give you no happiness anymore. I guess if you get out from poverty, but you will see that the more you get in life, the more you want more. You got chosen one way, care and attention, intimacy, friendship. You from Abeba. You entered there for the wrong reason. The man no. I'm not a home type. I'm an extrovert. I'm like a papa with my friends. I'm a club. I'm a social club. I ain't a meeting. I ain't a travel. I ain't a business trip. I ain't a vacation, club vacation, company vacation. He said, baby, no problem. He doesn't show me love. I don't see him. I don't see my husband once in a month. I don't see him 2 times, more than 2 times. You saw what you bargained for. You entered there. Now you are crying. Now you are crying. Go to such a man, August, guy, provide everything for my woman. They have all the food. You saw it. But he's a way go everything. I'd rather be crying in the Bentley, sitting on a hemisphere in Agwe. Many people. I do street observation. And when they're an interview, and I say, do you rather be with somebody that love you or say no? What is love? What is love? Don't come tomorrow to cry. Because the opposite of love is what? Hate. The person ain't no get hate again. I'd rather be crying in the Bentley seat with none and see put I got no show hate. Thank you for the gift, my baby. You have to understand the journey marriage, unu got this talk one place. Marriage, in fact, marriage, something in Amala me engage you qualify. Yeah, he got this talk with the person. Every day, he change up, he lipanti, onwezi marriage. A back kitchen in nation ni woke no, or knocked or binye, or jena bathroom, a jam one unachayos on a bathroom, unachayos on a kitchen, all marriage for you. How can 2 people live like that and you tell me there is no love? Without love, you want to even know. In our plan, you name one side, on your plan one side, that means no bottle. You came together just to lavish each other. Your joy and say na go text message na. If for doing a just a good text message na can smile is it? Because a man's in a level of marriage, text message and as they involve. Inferiority, complexity, bido. In ways na the man doesn't text me again. You are looking for a reason. Is it there for you? It doesn't text you again. Because anyway, stages of everything. Nambidane when a lot of flirting and text messages. About that next stage. Ask yourself, is this person really visible or the visible? Or the available for me? Una amala stages. All these 2 code. Baby, when was the last time you told me that he loves you because he spent 90% of his time with you? Your character will show, no matter how, except now your partner do not observant. Instincts drive and don't shut up your instincts. And don't develop a nonsense instinct out of fear. Wear confidence with yourself, but be very, very smart. Be bold as a lion, be smart as a serpent. In on a marriage, in on a relationship. Baby, I'm doing this thing for the sake of love. And I see what you are doing. I really appreciate you. Appreciating something is the only thing that can make somebody the most happiest man in the world. How much have you appreciated that man? How much have you appreciated that woman? Somebody said, a woman told me now, no, America. I went to America. Men begun developing me studying now. No, developing never telling him reports. Can I add? No, America. olu for 5 years nweta akwụkwọ ọ nata ọwụ na di agbago ndụ with nwaanyị ọzọ ọ na-ebe akwa na hotel room die bia party ya na airport ọ na-ebe akwa na hotel room na-ayọ die ka o meke nya aka na-ayọ die ka o meke nya aka nwoke wee gbu eziokwu si ya na ọ gbago ndụ with nwaanyị ọzọ. What are we doing? Kedi anyị na-eme today, anyị na-eme marriage, anyị na-eme relationship, anyị na-eme na anyị na-prepare for the next generation which is our children. Kedi iwe our kids ga learn from us. Ke talking point ị ga-use fallacy. Ị ga-agbacha ụmụazị okwu mmabasị ya lapụkwa onye a na onye a dey treat him fine. Ị ga-agbacha ụmụazị okwu mpafasị ya don't do like your mother. A lot of marriages are like that today. Ka mmezi onye a ihe ga-epen ya. Anye the party go, anya party go away. Let me now hurt him. He need ya. He build up grievances. Jukwo onwe gi na part of the fault eji ba that marriage ni so ya. He dey desperate. Eno nwaya maka na ndị ibe gi na anu nwaya. Onwe mgbe o me pressure kalia. Onwe mgbe o me pressure kalia. Muna one girl to. The girl ji maka all like him pia. Sim no dizime. Nchi anne na mma anu ina wu ni dime. Man, no, you need him. Go, yes. Mbom, we are born my father, J. Anolana. Say, I'm man, and all and dealing. Oh, say, okay. The next day, say, okay, Jackie for my sister. Just go and see my sister. Because need give me and the game what the one of sister and we're moving the Tom. Go and see my sister. Oluona to my sister. Say, na bish na. Bishop wokwa gi nwe nwa aka ngwa ga eziokwu but na your sister gwacha m okwu oba amalu bishop me wofuzi di nwa ka mwopuzie enye mwopuchezie nke tụwa m ime ọzọ na onye tụvali ya ime ewu onye ala na ọchọrọ no make mistake before meet him ozbo gwa am ya because agwa m the girl na owu dị isi na ọmụ nwe nwa na mma anụghị but na nnu nwa m ga-enene gi DNA. Yes, I go my advice. Allah wire. My sister gwacha you bozi em na phone sim na the girl no kwa mu nwa na enwelo na emeche ka eje mezie yo ni shensi okay. The girl kpom sim bish na o cholo emeche nene DNA ka owulu no cholo ibido ya wutashi. Bish biko na owo kwa mu nwa. Mana na ocho ka ewopie ka ntobazikwa enyi ime ozo ka mdi ba ngbe na ama na ka ekodo. If we're building something on a wrong foundation, because Nambu Moto, Onyang Amala na 1 naira, and one of my account. 1 naira, Ebu Moto, 1 naira. But you want to build a wrong relationship. Each you build something on a wrong foundation. A matter of my character, I just met you. And double willingly, and I appear Obuba wala abawa, obule intentional. Obubawa is in the game. Iji nwata ya nwoke down today, Novia, Emma and Willie love, Emma. Marriage down now, Abugolu Gibalia today. What is the intent? Kedi the intention? Kedi ye make iji by that marriage? Kedi ye iji ke ye push you gi? Ke ye motivate gi? What is the foundation? Obo no the wrong. Obo no something he got restructure and or debate. Man obo nis ni gania ekugo mi eba. A lot of percentage of people not a marriage can never be happy in marriage until how afugomo yon a marriage never be happy. Afugom people now complain since they married until today they are still complaining they never be happy. Their source of joy in marriage is joy signal ya. Iju a man or signal as omuta. Iju a woman or signal as omuta. How can we put all this happiness around these things? Married people, couples, have friends. And na seafront. And na beach. And na beach na bani ne the sun ne the moon aya the moon and settle. And I go no na hotel no na balcony na skyscrapers no na echetelo onwunu the olden days mbunu bido. And I baby be akitie me here na azu. And I want pimple na azu. And I want pimple na haze no scratch ya. baby ke movie na enene oti movie cartoon ndị ala isoli enene vie inachi. You do it because you love your partner. Baby ka ga movie isi aka movie a na enene okwa action movie o shigi mba no select go sha no problem. Isoli eje na cinema ya nola na kamugu. All love. Thank you for the gift, Nikki. Ilu na cinema ya nola na kamugu isolu nwunye enene. Gị nwa nwaanyị isolu nwoke na-enene football. Ọ na support Chelsea yeah. Man you na support ya. Isoli enene football, e like kwa football. Umo you give one, but you say no, I'm going out with my husband. We are watching football today. You pay with the interest. You not watch football with him. Yes, you be just goalie agency. You need pay attention on that. Yeah, supporting me. Friendship in marriage. Love exists. Love is part of marriage. Love is the foundation of marriage. If you do your own on the wrong one, and when love is not appreciated, it's abused. 60 years, if you not partner not together, and when rocket science about it, there is no two ways. I'm going to the day working away getting how far again. Game one are wearing the dana a lot of women and are wearing game one in a wobinabo. Is this the right man? I wish none no one knows so one makana non say when they go or where will go with the motivation. You get no problem na that marriage. And a wedding man who take the best man no. In a wedding, when he can test your ass. I will come on Sunday morning, come forget, can settle log for the last time. The last time I won't pay your pay munye. The last time I pay October give me pale de abi me naka. Ishi digi no yanwe. A lot of men need their mom today. Wani na mo wala wanwe. Go and check the statistics. Careful. NNA DNA na Nigeria osata. No wani na osata. Why do we build on these wrong foundations? Then can they need our voice? Can they need the voice I need work here? Can the people subscribe? Go to my YouTube. I want to see it here. Yes, I gonna appear was from Chukwumelije Live, and I want you guys. I make Chukwumelije appreciate because can be the can do yes. I mean, with the message, I move with the encouragement. With the people start to tell me, Bishop Money, please. I wish you can talk more. I wish you can come up live. We love what you are doing. Give us voice. But the total statistics, now statistically saying, no case women and only catch lose, no men a marriage why lose at the end of the day. Because one will receive and walk away giver. But it doesn't exempt the fact that name woman contribute to the marriage in a split. And we're a lot of them. Yes, I try to stay at the middle. Abuni be man, another people working problem working about the Moke the obsessed with your beauty. Eman all the obsessed with you. Eman all the in love with you. Eman somebody come on and a date. Boy, I say Nebiko can go take you McDonald or some yes, Mugo tell you McDonald. Untalk and cut or Simumba and Yana friends, ya no. And see, okay, because it's in my nature to take care of somebody money. I know. The girl I'm on a phone, I can't call to or some friends, Yana in any and Ambumugo. No, I'm young game, man. The phone was still on. Kedi ja order to your partner, kedi na order to your man. And I be a mugu. And I order your man mugu. Na azuya, and I want mugu because only with the salary and I support to get. And I order man mugu because ni opening need no gear. When love is abused, is now in fact only one with the highest manipulation. Yes. You're a man, you don't know how to take care of your woman. Write me, Kangwagiki just take care of your woman. Kangwagiki says so. And when women are difficult to work with, but you had the times to grow. A lot of women need times to grow. And also mothers, yes. If somebody to work with you, we see their willingness to work with you. How many apologize, they will never go back to that thing again. You will see them working towards them. Again, more other issues. Issues will always spring out. Issues gonna be a marriage. Issues gonna be a relationship. But you will never sleep with anger. Ungana so 30 minutes alone, 1 hour alone. You want to make up because only can and the can be receive. Maybe that thing is nothing. Forget about it. Yes, genuinely you apologize. Genuinely she accepted you. Genuinely, if the man make accept, you move on. Oblong manipulation. Na magola pale man bed. Mabagamu. Hey, this man is naughty. On a yo, but okochazie me one neighbor like this. You know trauma, even though on a trauma bonding. You know on love, you know on abuse, and they need the deliverance. You a mental problem as a person. Because a woman's state, every person is fragile. Nobody want to be touched. You to nepom tie over. The day Mola a divorce going. The day pom tie a divorce going. Because violence now motor violence. How can you settle for violence? KO violence. But the person willing to work with you, I want you to change. Let's do it. Two can play the game cannot work. If I do this, then what is the essence of coming together? People will not spend millions, billions, millions about people. And my wedding, the highest coming together, the highest everything. Families are there. People, what a shame na families be together. Una bani moon alone. Una making anything up for yourselves. All on you the highest deceit of this our generation. People will be able to take gift. All scam at the end of the day. People will to take good in the question the fund to do na wedding. If after 20 million, 15 million, I may wedding everything. Une joy for 1 week. Cat and dog, and Bob no. Unu question the fund in the balloon wedding ego. Una believe mulo. I must say, I'm married to Wungugu. Mbugu. Biana page mkiku na married to Wungugu. Kangugu anto. Ke boy no ye. Married to Wungugu. Igo open it or ye te ni mie. Ina atoye ka. Ina atoye azu. Ina atoye ano. Ina atoye nshe. Married to Wungugu. Aguni ye ikwete. Umwa na esu zikwe ekuye. Nwoke na-ekwu ụmụ nwaanyị na-ekwuzie na marriage ngwugwu ihe ọbụla ịtọite n'ime it's full of unpredictabilities, but you can as well work together. Yes, all the big brother and the marriage the big brother reality. Onye na-alalụ ụlọ na-enene ka o si alalụ ụlọ. Oh no, na agwa some milli, we are not agwa some milli. On a cool, we are not a cola. Many times you guys make the right choice. But you got the characters in our from Onya. Now Onya the one good. Lap one Onya, Makon Maples on nature. Onya engage with Makon your game. Onya do good, only take good care of me. Onya on our women's group, would the 1 naira, I'm the doma. Ula no na marriage nke a na-ezo kwukwukwu ị na-ezo kwukwukwu onye na-ezo kwukwukwu onye ọbụla na-ezo kwukwukwu. At the end of the day gwazieni m ka a ga-esi wee build trust, one single trust unu enwele otu nọ na marriage wu ngwugwu ihe ọbụla atọite even tọite wa alaku ntọlite ala double tap on biko ọ bụ na ị na follow my YouTube biko ka mmakwa ọkwa ọ dị very very important. Energy KJ, I need him encouragement. Go and follow my YouTube. Just follow my YouTube. Follow my YouTube with Alpha Diaba. Subscribe. I want to subscribe. A subscriber can't tell you na. You gotta go. I want to subscribe. A subscriber and will everything the okay. You gotta go. Everything I name is true. To encourage. Obukwa ni nwele, you don't need to. Okwiyota. Obu ni nwele, you don't need to. You got to go. So at the end of the day, obu ni nwele voice as a person, ni nwele voice. Ni on something ni neme, ni nwele voice. Only. Okay. No. Actually, chat. Okay. In nwele voice, ibu a man. I'm also at this thing. Come touch your also. Obu ni ibu a man. If you obsessed with your partner and the job don't wire. And the partner get magolu your weakness. It will go there and make your all and all, which is the way it's supposed to be. And don't you make you abuse, don't see yourself less of a man. Daily me here, how to begin to understand yourself. How to begin to see yourself who you are. Every person will potential. All he has to take you is to look yourself in the mirror. And don't see those weaknesses. See the way. See the strength. See your strength. Yes. For your strength. Because Obuni will a tragedy. Because all can say my life now. Obuni will something. A compelling story. Because opening a compelling story, you know, send their request. I will bring you up. Just one person or two person. You gotta go. Let's go. Because opening dear follow me on YouTube. Go and subscribe and follow me on YouTube. They follow me on YouTube. Okay, subscribe. We want to give voices to the voiceless. Opening a compelling story. Something that can touch another person's life, and they can know your voice. Just send the request, I'll bring you up. Obune guys subscribe here. You subscribe or you also not part of supporting me. The same name on Nazaya Bishop Israel TV. EJ Nilu Akwonkozo, the same name. EJ na YouTube, the same name. Asinam ni Jilo the link. Asinam ne Malia. I believe in all of us the advance. I am Ali here. All my videos in Ghana 18 na YouTube, until na YouTube. All one of them can till yesterday all generate to go like 30,000 views already. People are hunger for truth. People are hunger. People say, yes, is this my situation or the evidence na another place or something name out of the blue moon? No. Iya name na my situation or name also. Onye the wisdom, onye the revelation to say it out. Only the boldness to come out and say it. And the boldness, yes. Only God giveth boldness. Only me and the malemechon, I will say it. Everywhere. Ngana platform, Mbatana Nigeria, Ngana any radio station, any TV, I will tell people the truth. How can we normalize nonsense today? In on a marriage, you are one of the contributors at this our generation. You know, it's nothing now, baby. Baby can make transfer or them no. It's I contribute to ENMN. In on a marriage as a woman, in a way, you are no way. Opeta go corner league go no money you go. It's only not contribute to the mess I have now today. So my people, Obona like liye bish name. I'm na people no name I appreciate. I respect. You ought to go Obona like liye name because there are more. Anyway, more. I can't call the beans for my nation. And what baby, I can't yanya. I can't yalanya. Tomorrow now I'm looking at inquiry people cases as a man able things he need you may ignore because eba speed and we learn you open in eba na that lane. The consequences can still cause you that person motivated you ban at the lane. Abanoke speed ki we please your mother because only they appreciating one single step he make or man he make there. You don't need to buy a Lamborghini before you appreciate it because that one single thing, flower and ego. Oh man, no signal, baby, I love you. I know if you have, you will give me more. But with the little, I really appreciate you. Egote lingita, inale egote. Mba, juo onwe gị n'ime ojikwe. Ọwụ na oji na ọ ga-ege ige. Ọ bụ na iji, buy your woman a gift. Buy your man a gift. O make lo gajo man. Mba ngosi ya na akwụ m bonus n'ụlọ ọnụ achọrọ m ka izo di check. Akwụ gị bonus n'ụlọ ọrụ izo di check. Ịchọrọ ka the woman mali, ịchọrọ ka the man mali. Two can play the game. The marriage is on lies. Everything is fallacy. Deceit. Before Malia. Ebido yana or games. Now somebody asking a marriage is a game. Don't be caught. What nonsense. Kedi yana push here. Kedindi ne push here. Malo the type of people ne push here. Kalia with your boyfriend from the beginning. How do you see polygamy? Keki is where for this thing polygamy. Keki is fumoke na akumunye ye. Gay one say man. Keki is fuma na flirt. Munye gana flirt. No, it's my work. In my work people. My work people. Mbobu na work people. You put your career ahead of your marriage. You leave one job. Okay, since I be go never. Why can't you look for? No, I will not leave this my job for anything, not even my marriage. In Aguya Mokeni Lugi. Name one fine babono no na pagaka. And when somebody na unludia. Tell yourself the truth. There is more to it. It will take two people to make it work. It will take two people to make it work at the end of the day. And we find Bobo na aka need to move. Gina dige need to go move to another city. As a man able Gina Munye need to go move another city. You say no. I can't even come to think of it. No. Mala with the man who got your motive asking you to move. Mala is it for the interest of the both of you and the family? Is it something that is doable? It is selfish, but he talk a marriage, you get the flawless or Monday like that. It is selfish. It talk a marriage, you get coordinate, cobble, everything he need or Monday like that. Comment go do comment here, mepego this comment section or mepego. Somebody not here. And when I send the bully here before, and when somebody send it, okay, so comment here, okay, let's go. So guys, we have to be honest with ourselves. In our table marriage, look out for those red flags. And when the perfect, but now your motto, your slang, your motivation slang, and when you the perfect. Let the people, everybody out of perfect, work towards perfection. Life is all about working. I know where my man is, and it is shown him when I know where my woman is. It is shown him when are you confident enough that you block onya? How dare you tell me about my wife? I know my wife. I trust my wife. How many people can beat their chest and say it? Somebody now I trust my husband. He block all the person. How many people can beat their chest and say it? Because the new norms don't know one and I got say he got from the non marriage. I say no trust and a trust. Yeah, na-ekpe ka ọ bata n'ụlọ. And okwu trust mmadụ no. So many people asịkwa gị mmadụ no na-apịa lapụ okwu na nwaanyị mgbe ijidelie. A na-ekwu ya ọbụla mkpali amụ. Enwere anything make your own special. As you lay your bed, now so you go lie on top of it. Get the intent, get the starting point, get the motivate le ebano, get the cause the na. I revise your clock, I rewind your clock as you can make up for this mistake. You can choose with that same mistake. I'm liking new. I rewind your clock as back to the time of your decision making. Are you going to change it? You can't marry for the wrong reason. Marriage is not scary. Marriage is just a platform two people have to work together to achieve peace, to achieve their love, to achieve their daily goals, their monthly goals, their aim, their forever goals. Babe, thank you so much. Okuna water. Marriage is so an institution. Two people. It takes two to tango at the end of the day. Guys, I want 5 minutes now. Because we're only 5 minutes. Just subscribe on my YouTube. Because go and subscribe to my YouTube. Your partner they work with you. I have seen that you don't want to work out. You don't want to work with me in this marriage. Just subscribe on my YouTube. Bishop Israel TV. Bishop Israel TV. Your partner. Your partner. You don't want to work with me. Somebody to why couple endure more in relationship than marriage to make it work. Topic. I got topic engage another day. But all real in terms of it put in a reality contest or real because relationship self now people they wake up in the morning what's a relationship. Most marriages now endure past their relationship. Patterns to look out for. The genesis of in on here will continue the starting point. If you are just joining us now, because I can talk in waves, but I will always center it back. I will always come back. I will always come back. Platform and make my platform when we grow that from next week. There is a lot of audience I got buying with it. Thank you for the gift or thank you for the money gone. Thank you so much. And with audience I got with it. I make matchmaking na page and the name matchmaking. Make sure need the up to the standard of the character need before mpalo mwa de pege. Omo nwa bish. Iche ikwe the meaning of bish money. Okwa bishop. Okwa mwa ya abazi akwụkwọ ahụ. Ndị ebe mmunu matchmaking mkpogote gị nga scrutinize gị the level of scrutiny you ga-enwete ịmanwete in another platform nga apịacha gị asị nwoke nga amali your character I ga-amali ihe ịchọ na nwanya iso na ndị egbu azụ because enwere a lot of women now on a page a lot of guys on a page that are searching for the truth egwu na atụziba. I will use this platform nga use here for different reasons. Matchmaking gabo a powerful program I gonna appear na page. Akpogote mmadu nwoke obuna igbogote ebe mgbuwe ya azụ. Iburu nwaanyị igbogote ebe mgbuwe ya azụ. I ga anuchu na anucha. Na anuzine nonsense ibe a na anu eri a na-akọ. Otologonogo omaka. Opa ike opala. Opa ike opala. So say we here for. onye na-atụ egwu atụzi n'egwu, don't worry. Unu atụzi n'egwu. Onye atụzi n'egwu na support na ibe na-eme. Support over page ki inwe bi just belong go to Bish Money Club. Belong go eba. No shaking. I ga na-egwu with the truth here, 100% unfiltered, uncensored, unadulterated. Onye atụzi n'egwu egwu gịnị? Dolu here with me, ka ewiwe anyị eme. Enye m unu 1 week from now. Yes, akpọgote mmadụ a na-agụ ya, yes, na-ekede ibe ịchọ na nwaanyị. A ga-enye gị standard ịchọ. A ga-agwa gị yes, ihe abụrụ ihe na-aba awụlọ, lapụ ihe a na-eme eli na nwatụmeki na na-akọ tu. Many people ga-anụ di na page a. Ị ga-anụ di, don't be scared of marriage. Marriage ya atọ ụtọ, ị ga-enwetezi love. A ga-agwa gị ihe ị ga-ajụ, what you will look out for. Mmegi nwatụmeki na ịchọkwa na-eme unu counseling. M ga-emeche onwe onye si m na kama mma ahụ counselor, marriage counselor or therapist na mma jegwu ya. Meji maka unu jegwuo therapist na school. Meji maka humanity jegwuo even chọbụ ngo alcoholism and ihe na ọgwụ abuse oye nchọbụ. Mana meji maka unu guzie marriage counselor. Ka mgbuwe kenya achọ m na-egbu onye ọbụla azụ. Nwoke me na ayala ebia ngwa ị na ayala ịwụrụ nwaanyị ịbụrụ serious person na ị na ayala. I will tell you straight and direct. Yes. Nwaanyị ịwụrụ nwaanyị na-apịtọ nwoke na okwule n'ibe na-eme ngwa ebe isi abịa. Mma gwa na love ya, mma gwa the truth. Ma bụ na ibe mmadụ partner gị ya wọ na-eme ịma na love lo ekwugo many times. Onwe dị perfect o, mana onwe ihe wu na mmadụ mee mistake. Onwe ihe wu na mmadụ take you on words. Yes. When we na mmadụ ni about the nature of this person, those are the people you cannot deal with. And they be is either you are sharing or you are double tapping or you are commenting or you are again with something again or you are subscribing. Can they join go my YouTube? I want to see you comment. Can they join go my YouTube here? Can they join go my YouTube? 60 something people no here. Can they join go Bishop Israel TV YouTube? Subscribe go. Thank you so much. Anale pin we after I go campaign here. Anale pin we but all the same name afa na azeba Bishop Israel TV. Ijekwe na YouTube enwelo na eme ozo dekia. Okay, epin go kwe mi epin go mi. Na afa na Bishop Israel TV epin go mi. Obulu na ino na FYP we na enene now. Go join him on YouTube. Video na ifo na akuna na na aga 3 hours non-stop. Ana aga 3 hours. Ama ekwu okwu 10 hours. Onwe video ma won mebezi elu unu mebezi enye. In fact, mma na akụ 3 hours so that ị na-alụ ọrụ ige kiti pause. You subscribe. Listen to my video with your partner or you give one video. Ka brain ye yasa, ki isi ye yasa. That girl eche no video. Ka brain ye yasa because to whom much is given, much is expected. Gen one eche no nwoke ka na apia heat. Ma gen one nwanya with the heat in the opposite direction. Digi sigi kun nene movie si amba. Then we one guy he ge nene. Then when a movie unu ge nene. TV video na to YouTube. Yes. For some of you, amala agakwa school when I graduate them. Thank you so much for the gift. I really appreciate it. I graduate them. But yellow man am graduate. Because I'm academically inclined. Use all my vocabulary. Some of you people need to go and get your pen and paper. And I'm like use here. I don't want to use my English, my grammar, my grammatical and companion. Hey! And companion. I don't want to use. Sometimes I borrow my English from the dictionary, from Cambridge or Oxford. Some of you people. Only I am to need impact motor nozo. Emiye uvelisi me to loot it. Emiye uvelisi me to loot today. Nah, BJ. Open a join the eba, idigo bless. Eba ke ga no eziokwu niile dị n'ụwa. You open up a relationship. I go mo onye otoy. I go mo onye banyoy. I go mo onye ndioy. I go mo onye nchayoy. Colored. I go mo onye chanoy. You will experience empa. You will experience empa. Nye ye woli ozugbo iwoli etinivi name or walk all immediately. In a baby, we have to talk. I had something, but we have to talk. I don't want to speculate. Shani, you don't want to speculate. Lower your voice, even when that anger is just in a reason to be, but always find somewhere and take out that anger or blow on the man or blow on the woman. Iwo oku ga emebili gi na eme imechi inwe ike regret ya obulo nwa ya niile ga handle nwa ya onu melike ana ma shout nwa ya only voice in the use can scare nwa o ga achu nwunye so due to na mmal na nwelu tilo no can get you use with wisdom nne bia ke no lana with a pen with akwụkwọ all my strategy with a pen with akwụkwọ dating si wona dating si na ewe gi we denye write it. I will now start to analyze. Okay, I'm sorry. I am very sorry. But when a couple come dig now, yogi biko mambu again one mistake. Too much biko ne maybe here. Sorry, the mama, but when abuna somebody. Ena ayo di biko mambu imelive na ayo biko onwe mgbe I ga wilu biko it can make you oge make you hate be your partner. Too much biko adụlọ mma ọ dị mma ke na ayo biko but sometimes ọ bụ na edoro wrong gwakwa your partner na edoro wrong. Too much biko uche unu dia. I'm talking from experience. Experience nweli Chineke nyemu we dobe m ndu today bụ ihe need kampanye unu nwoke anala test gị from the beginning iweche na mgba unu ga-aba marriage na ọ ga na test gị nwoke adị enega anya n'ilu. How do you feel mgbe ọbụla o use psychology wolu njakịrị je binye na ebe a je sielu m ihe na nke mbata ebe a. He doesn't want to know how you feeling. Sometimes afọ na ata gị nwa ya anala eme appreciate mgbe ọbụla ijecha ọsị gị baby oyi aka iwete maybe afọ m transfer but ọbụla ego na ka nna gị I saw the money na but ọbụla ihe aka nchọ ọbụla ihe aka m na gị kwu ọsị nwụlọ gị thank you. You must learn to appreciate. For every effort is not entitlement. Effort ọbụla mmadụ make it towards you abụla your entitlement or a gift of love or something or believe you need deserve for the love. He ga make the apology gị ga-emeche make you hate where your partner ọ bụ na the right way na-eme apology. Most time is good. He ga na-eme apologize, but sometimes it's not apology. You have to have a discussion. Maybe you are here because no, forget about saying sorry. Let's talk about this. Like Bish whoa. So as a woman, Mali no nia. Define your relationship on the comment section. Define your idea on email. Define your idea on email. But feel free, me here. But as a matter of fact, so many people, my personal number. But DM kita na voice note because obulo message ya kalizi ma na adikwa ishi ya na apakwa m ọnụ ka m wee na build kwa myself bụ ihe nna emekwa. Respect bụ ihe na-ebupụta the beauty of a woman. Respect bụ ihe na-ebupụta the beauty of a man. Your woman love organic respect like this on ato on akpozi go mu afa achalugo mu odogwu mu on akpogo mu afa because on respect ke obulo nke ego mo I deserve it mba fia diga aka n'ishi for the first time nye digi treat ni isi wu key point umu nwoke isi nya na elu shoulder ebe a obu na inwele alụ tigitigi ligolie na azụ na obu na onye na-abu ụzụ obu na ejekwana ligolo onye anala ebu ụzụ ụzọ ji enye kidney na azụ obulu na iweli from 70-75 down ligolie na azụ zọ onye ọkpa na azụ zọcha anya ọkpa wolo ọkpa gị masaji anya ejekwana zọ nwoke ọkpa n'isi ka ambulance bịa pala ozu izọgbuo onye mpachizoba ọkwa bishi ashize na bishi shishizo ọkpa unu ekotekwana ebe okwu ebe ije zọgbuo di ma ije zọgbuo nwunye isi na ọmụnwa ọwụkwa m kwuo no odmio ọkụnụ ghọta a na-abịa nwaanyị aka n'isi ihe niile awụkwa pata ala pata ọwụli ya a na-akụ nwaanyị iki ewu odinala na ọ bụ ọtọ iwere ike na-akụ ịgba ọwụkwa nju pata ijili ike na-akụ ogene inwe ike ime ọ na-amụ love atọgbugo onwe unu ama na eji ike eme pilo ijini gị ike nwunye imeli pilo ị na-apị fon ịlalụ ụlọ ijini gị ike yi mee pilo ị na-apị fon ị na-akpuo a lot of things. Nwaanyị ejecha ọlụ bata masaji anya ịma na a na-amasaji nwaanyị azụ ya niile ịma na a na-amasaji tais nwaanyị tais niile yọọ nya ayọọ enwere oyila a na-agba n'aka ịmasaji anya ọ masaji chọwụrụ nwaanyị masaji adịghị onwekwe onye nye m money god na line mpịa iwe wo highest line ka mpịa mana onwere onye nyezi imu ikita mpia line ka na-enezi anya bish zikweli ihe zo line mpia na maka ama m ugbo mma apịa ọpịa mịa mụ na chisobu ọpịa amazim mpịa lamba ama m mgbe mma ahụ mpịa kosi mpịa lana kosi over ọ mgbe mpịa ya nchịkọ abamla mpiala mbana because all here with the resources yambo all nyanwa bu the spicy dị na marriage spicy play ị na-eme ka ụmụazị ịgbala ọtọ afụta wụchara ịgwa nwunye gị si ya mechagodo odogwu ọnụ ọ mecha odogwu ọnụ ịpali akwa ya n'isi 3 times gboo ọsịwa ike onwekwa iri ime ị na-amụ na egwuregwu a na-egwu egwu atọka Egwu atoka. Mommy. Thank you for your gift. Thank you so much. You stand by your man. Ekwuli anazo. Obolo na nwunye ga add go wait. Ị na-aga n'ụzọ. Ụfọdụ na-aga nwunye ebulu ụzọ, si nwunye ebulu ụzọ. It is proud of your wife. Nga piawo una azu. Diga nwere 6 pack. Is it okay or is it okay? Je nya walk out. But emene ko stress bu onye. Inugie o na inugie. Be proud of your partner. Digi na aga isi aka ị na-aza call no onwe call ijiri nwa na aga ị na-eme iwele nwunye yi ị na-eme iwele di onwebe di efu omugo nwa afia apụtago igwabazi onye okwu maka afọ nwoke as a man obu na edulo lazy as a woman obu na edulo lazy anytime take care of yourself. That will another topic for another day. Nefen Nelly kita. Nefen Nelly. Onye lo mumpia akpu Nefen Nelly na. Sometimes ilie here na akpu. Sometimes una afuna Nelly. Most time chicken can nata. Because ila pu onwe gi ga doka. But nke a topic for another day. Inwe treadmill begi obu na unu nwetebe ego unu na alu olu unu enwetebe ego goten treadmill enwe different type of me ihe na eme na-enekwe na onwe ga anya as nwanye ewu sometimes you know onwe ga anya as nwoke ewu sometimes you know onwe ga anya olu abula excuse niile elusi godo olu niile wopute 15 minutes 20 minutes obu na emala eme gwa m deli m ihe nga agwa gi ihe ga eme somebody dego m ihe ngwa ya ọ na eme. You don't need to go to gym. You can get menkwi ya ni muno. Ivele mezine na abi pioko. Waso obi awasa. Nke atogbu nke oge atogbu no nti. Nke atogbu umu aya na umu nwoke. Biko wolo opportunity now. Epi ni mu iye na mpi ni lo pugo. Bishop Israel TV, Bishop Israel TV. Because I want to subscribe, bro. Because I am happy. I don't happy at all. Yet go. Achom kande happy. Bishop Israel TV. Epi nigomia. Because Jena YouTube. This name now, Bishop Israel TV. Jena YouTube can subscribe. Wo. Ekene moyo obuna join in my program. Yeah, pele na complete 3 hours. Achom kan na 3 hours section. Anom na kechukumeliji almost 2 hours. So 5 hours, you know, non-stop. And the enemy out to educate our people and to make you to have a voice when you feel like the whole world have collapsed around you. When you feel like and when the need to go voiceless ni yaneme. We are your voice. I get your voice. I pray that more men, more women can come out like this, but most time women be a side woman. I discuss a powerful feminist, but any money is called manifest, called here, KZM follow. I'm inside in between the middle, but the truth must be said. We need to save our people. You have a sister, you have a mother, you have a child. Inwe mwana, inwe a mother. Money need, money cure. When you are capable of one way, and even famous happy. Hey, famous happy. You gotta go. We have to do what we have to do. Obune on a marriage in if you can write me, tell me here in the face, I will use it as a case study. I get use queer. Njikweli through that you know that story. Njikweli anyekwe advice mbeneku. But the today patterns that you look out for. And the mala malike the motivation each way be that relationship before another marriage. Obune ngo ulterior motive. No kwe mani deserve enough. But everybody deserve a second chance. Obune ebazi na the marriage each was equal work or pray towards it. Mesa di game. But we must always know when the journey is meant to be over. I will give you courage. A lot of people play on all the strength, and a lot of you people on a trauma bond. Of your alone save when you're on a trauma bond. Of your alone save when you're on a trauma bond. they will keep on going back to their abuser. Manwoke mamaya. Enwe nwoke like nwanya na eli egi na emi abuse. Or die pick call ya. O mebugo before. Na achu nwanya na agba na achu ya na agba. Until God saved me. Enwele onye ama fallen victim with the wrong person. But he need the malo when the journey is meant to be over. He need the malo. Kedi he need. Somebody na mecha gopa. Or they one bad for you. Somebody na wulu pull up again mechanya or do bad for you. Somebody na sage fella or do bad for you. Somebody na ngodogugi or do bad for you. Somebody love war based on it's not bad for you. Somebody na say baby you are my all and all. You na for na ego no or do bad for you. All you have to do is reciprocate. Give na love na toto. Baby ke ba gaje vacation this year. Baby ke ba gaje camping this year. Or you will take sick leave. Come will take sick leave. Ana alo adologi 2 days, 3 days. Kaipo. Una po neje phone. Okwapia outside na okwapia n'imu na ebe unu no ba blood the same. Because hotel ahụ ekwuru ogwe ị ga like ka ịpịalụ dị ọkụ dị ya. Ịghọtago ị ga like ka ịpịata ego gị ihe a dị ya. Iji nwaanyị nwunye ka apịakwa ihe a ka emekwa ihe enjoy na anyị kwụkwara ụgwọ ya o. Anyị kwụkwara ụgwọ ya. A na-apali ahụ. Ị na-anya moto wite ofe aka iwere ofe aka na-akpọ jita. Iwere ofe aka na-apị piano. Ị need able guy. Na-apata adventure, inspiration na marriage, spicy. Enwe many things, spice. Actually na nwunye, enwele nwaanyị achọli ya, enwele nwoke achọli ya. Iji ofe aka na-apị piano, jiri ofe aka na-anya moto. Ị ga-emezi nwunye gị mgbe ọbụla ọ na-abatazi moto, o jiri aka agbatuo oche. Go and follow my YouTube. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate everybody now supporting. Thank you, everybody being on my page today. I really appreciate massive love you guys are showing me. I really, in fact, love not too much. I really appreciate you all. Too much. And we are growing from strength to strength. I gana apia wazo. Ekene monye obuna. Ekene muni nebe obune no chuku goziegi. Save we yen ga na YouTube video nwa ga na YouTube o ga full the full video ga abia na YouTube this night. Either na obia dey on take time load it man o ga abia before morning and obia kwala na ozbo just wozelie echi I na-enye another version every day I na abia another version. Everybody name gift I really appreciate you. Everybody na double tap. If almost 85,000 likes. All the massive is massive. It's massive. The love from you people, the massive. And it encouraging me on the strength to keep on doing this thing. I got name here. So it is voiceless. It do voiceless. Because Moke na suffer abuse. Obulo someone na suffer abuse. Thank you everybody. Remain blessed. Gordon. Kai kwalo wire. Kai kwalo wire. Don't feel free to my video because in I watch video didn't post because some of the clips I may put you some of the clips in I watch because make sure in I repost because by that time here for now TikTok Ghana I dey grow massive ndị buy ni onye pali nsogbu ebe next week all depend our growth I get rate here from next week I week I do analysis for our matchmaking. I do matchmaking now. I got each and the whole TikTok on my promise because I got and on a court hot seats. I want to qualify able to work immediately. A pretender cannot pass this my audition. Because all highest. You got wisdom God in your major well no child male. He say na kampulanya isi me ngwa onye don't worry. Nga agbago onye ebulo guy abia America. Iya le ebu guy abia beach. Yes. Because akewa ka obuni wote anom ya amam everything all chukunye me. Asata. Oya nko adi ni biko no imgba m nkiti me okugide ko cause jee na YouTube make sure na ịba YouTube make sure na ịba YouTube n'abalị make sure na ije subscribe bụ Bishop Israel TV jee subscribe bụ video nwa na-aba YouTube ọ dị ọkụ ọ dị very very hot maka ka ndị ite white. Thank you everybody and God bless you all.